How to fix Audible app something went wrong. Hello everyone, wherever you are in this world, I'm going to show you how to fix and solve this problem. You just need to pay attention in this video till the end. So let's gonna start. First, you don't need to open your Audible, just come directly to your settings of your phone. After that, you have to open your apps option and search right here for Audible. Open it when you find it and then go to storage option, click on clear cache, and right now you have to back and click on first stop. Click OK, go directly now to your Play Store and update your Audible in the last version if it is available, of course. And right now the last step is to restart your phone. So that's all guys, don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing our channel, and bye.